Hello, here is the MD Needle Pen 2 kit. I wanted to show you what's in the kit and how to attach the cartridge. Here is the kit. You have the instruction card. You have a card here for contact information, the pen, the battery, charging cord, charging plug, and 10 needle cartridges. The same will be in if you buy the MD2 pen kit, but for the nano, it will be the same thing, but the cartridges will be nano cartridges and the brochures will be nano brochures. Okay, so here is the pen. So you put on the pen on the power button, you just click 1 second, and then you can see one here. So it's 7 speeds, and you click just 1 click, short click on the power button for it to change. Super duper easy. You can see that the numbers change and also the sound here, so the RPMs gets greater. And to turn it off, you do a long click on the same button. Okay, so the cartridges look a little bit different. When it comes to this one, they're longer. They're also screw-on, so you will see ridges in here, and you will see ridges on there. So when I put on the cartridge, you always have to have the dial down to 0. Let me see here, and it already is right up here. And then you just pull it straight in. So be sure to not hold up here. Be sure to hold on the sides. And then you just screw it on, super duper easy. You do a short press on the power button, and then it's on. So say if I want to have number 4, and I want to use the LED function, then you press on this button instead. So a short click there, and you see the red light here, right? And the short click when you change it, the colors and the nanometers will change. And I will also put up a instruction sheet here, what the different colors do and what nanometers there are. And if you want to turn it off, you just click a longer on this button, the light button. And when you want to turn off the pen, it's a longer press too. When you're removing the cartridge, again, hold on the sides, just screw it off and discard. You only use the cartridge single use. And that's MD Needle Pen 2.